Okay, so here's the thing. We absolutely love doing breakfast, large breakfasts like on Sundays, and this griddle is our go-to because if I want to do pancakes, I can do all of the pancakes on here. And then my favorite thing is being able to do eggs on here because nobody wants their eggs to be cold while you're waiting for the other ones to fry. We just fried 8 eggs on this morning, and we were able to get up everybody's eggs perfect, and everyone's food was still hot, and it was awesome. So there's a few things that are great about it. You've got the small drip tray in the front, a large drip tray in the back, and then you've got your plug, which sets your temperature for how hot you want your griddle to be, depending on what you're cooking. It is easy to clean. You're simply just make sure that the plugs don't get wet, but you can simply use a soft cloth with soap to clean it, and it cleans very quickly and very easily. And I would definitely recommend that you don't use a metal spatula on this thing because it will scratch. So that's my go-to. This is my go-to for Saturday mornings, Sunday mornings. I love it, and it makes life so much easier.